welcome back to Keyra TV. Hari ini Mami mau bikin bakso, ya?
Yay! Yeah.
It's not opening.
Sorry, Holly's
Hi!
not coming today.
I don't believe you. My favorite. I can't believe you're not coming.
Exactly. As if I was gonna
That's
like.
the only one that's like, I make bakso, and then it's like, okay, I'm coming, Mama.
Yeah.
Without that, it's like,
Making Indonesian
maybe.
food, I'm coming. I'm coming right now.
How are you guys? I'm good. Yep, just been cooking, yeah. I just in there.
So not like
I know.
buy it.
Yeah, they're just making it. No, Keyra and Keisha making.
Aku mau lihat.
It's like yours.
Yep.
Same colours. Just like that.
Do it
My
again.
daddy.
Do it again.
Oh, it's like the
One more time.
degree of difficulty. 10 point.
We're going again. Get over, honey. One was off.
Good job, baby. Other way.
Show off.
So as you can see, guys, my sister is here, and her boyfriend.
And my boyfriend.
Yes.
His name is James.
Yep. His name is James. Yeah. Every.
Yeah, it's gonna be maybe.
Family, like everybody, we have like a.
So we're now setting up the table,
I'm setting up the table.
and this is my phone, guys. Look, it's so cool. I mean, look at my phone.
Keyra wishes. One day.
So we're gonna put the bowl so we can eat. How is the bakso doing? Wait, let's see the dinner table first. Wow. Beautiful. Kaka's getting more bowls. Let's see the bakso. How is the bakso doing, Mommy?
What's that, baby girl?
So it's almost. We have something, I don't know. I think some noodle cooking.
Let's go. Come on, baby. Are you coming with me? Yeah? You wanna see?
And hello.
Hi, everybody. Come on. Kita mau ikut nggak?
Guys,
Hello.
there is Wendy.
It's Wendy. Hello, baby.
Guys, the bigger house is the bigger house.
Kakak, this one.
Okay.
Thank you. For a minute. There are limes here. Aku nggak tahu what limes are in Indonesian, like jeruk. Okay, one more. Oh, that was really easy for you. You're super strong. Okay, let's go. That's it. Oh no, there's so many. Can you carry 2? Carry 2 for Kakak? Thank you. Okay, let's go. Give this to mommy.
We got it!
Yeah, we got it.
I do this.
Mm-hmm. Do you know how to count in Indonesian?
Sambal.
Okay, quick.
Yeah, we know that you like sambal.
Quick Indonesian lesson. Okay, come here. We're gonna count Indonesian. Okay.
Okay.
Count it.
Okay, come.
In English. Let's go.
Okay, ready? We're gonna do 5. So 1.
Do we have to do it?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
What?
3.
Tiga, like from Winnie the Pooh.
Yep.
Okay.
3.
Tiga.
4. 4.
Empat.
Yes. 5.
Lima. Oh, like the animal. Lima. From Madagascar.
Hey, I think we just did 1. Okay, can you put this to...
Okay. Wait. Yes.
And what about this stuff? Carly, can you tell us?
I don't know what that stuff is. It looks yummy.
Is this dried onion? I think it's dried.
Oh, super smart. Gosh, look at that. Yum. Okay, noodle.
Gosh! Oh my gosh! Look at that!
So yummy.
The baby ones don't fool me.
Kiming. Where, we need more shares.
Really?
Yeah, because 9 people.
Okay, so
I think I'm gonna sit here.
Huh?
I can sit
You
here.
wanna sit with Kaka over here?
So let's that need to try first. That try. I want to record what you think about the bakso. With no soup? Yeah?
No soup for you.
We don't do soup.
Justin,
sambal
you try it yet?
Yeah, it's delicious.
Is it spicy? You put too much.
I'm surviving.
Too spicy.
Oh, so hot. How did you make it?
Let it cool down.
Like spicy hot or hot?
I think I put 2 drops.
Good guy?
You want to know?
Oh, enak banget.
I'm good.
James, don't worry. I will teach Carly how to make bakso. Easy.
There you go.
Wait, I already know how to make bakso.
Tell me how spicy it is.
Really?
You wanna try Kaka soup?
I only like
try
put
Kaka
1
soup?
drop and it's still really spicy for
Try
me
with
because
the...
You wanna try Kaka
I don't
soup?
really like spicy. No, thank you.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
This is like intermediate spice.
Okay, everyone, this is how you eat bakso. You put the chili and the lime and the sauce and the ketchup, sweet ketchup. They call it.
That's how you do it.
Yeah.
Everyone is doing.
Okay, good. Finally, you finished. That okay? Good.
Yeah.
Excellent. I still love bakso.
Huh?
I still love bakso.
That's the thing, Keyra. My money.
So good. Wow, I have a 3 bowl. Gila, makan 3 mangkok. Tau nggak, biasanya yang masak nggak mungkin makan sampai, karena bau masakan kan, nggak mungkin sampai 3 mangkok. Ini buat 3 mangkok. Kali, how many bowls are you eating? 3. How about you? Okay, it's Jason.
Jason. Kakak Mac,
Jason over there. Lain nggak? Ada nanti yang fish one.
Okay. That's good. I want the soup.
You want right now? Later, right?
Yeah, later.
Yeah. You can have second one.
Okay, good. I'm just gonna have some of the soup. The soup is so good.